everyone, my name's Ali and I am the percussionist from Backchat Brass, and I'm here today to give you some inspiration and some ideas to help you create and build your own percussion instruments. This is your opportunity to be creative, so have a look around your house and see if you can find any materials and things that make interesting sounds, because then you'll be able to play along with Backchat Brass and we can all make some amazing music together. I'm going to show you a couple of the instruments that I've built, and they sound fantastic, even though they're only made of junk that I found around the house. So, here's the first one, and I'm going to show you how to make this soon. These are just loads of plastic bottle tops. We've got milk bottle tops, we've got Lucozade bottle tops, and all I've done is I've put a little hole in each one, and you can rattle them around like that, or you can strike them like this, so it's a bit more rhythmic. I've done the same with these here. These are lots of different metal bottle tops, and I really like the sound of these. What else do we have? Some wooden spoons. You can jangle them around like that, but you can also, if you tie them all together, you can get a really nice hand clap sound out of these. Fantastic. What else have I made? Here's a little case that used to have some headphones in it, but I've just put some little beads in them to make a shaker. What else have I got? Black peppercorns. Again, makes a really good shaker. So, right, I'm going to show you how to make some of these instruments out of bits of junk around the house. First of all, I'm going to take an old bottle. This used to have some tonic water in it, but you can use any bottle. Take the lid off, give it a quick clean, let it dry. I've got a funnel here. You don't need the funnel. This makes it easier for demonstration purposes. And I'm just going to fill it up with something. Now I'm going to use some red lentils, but you can use anything. You can use gravel from outside. You can use rice. You can use sand. Lots of different materials sound different. So I'm just going to put a few of those in there. Put the lid back on. Now this straight away is a really good shaker. Fantastic carnival music. And what else do we have? I've got an old box here, plastic box. I am also going to put some seeds in this. Now you have to be careful because the lid might come off. I want to tape it down. There. One more instrument, crisp tube. It also sounds really good as a metallic drum. I'm going to use a wooden spoon. So, to recap, all you need is a container and something to go inside that container that's going to make some noise. Whatever it is, be creative and remember also to be safe. Most importantly, remember to have lots of fun, and we look forward to making lots of great music with you.